Okay, next question is 34th question. So he has given that like this. Now we are going to integrate. So integral root tan x upon this will be sin x into cos x dx. Okay, so now without loss I am doing, which implies integral, so root tan x, this will be sin x into cos x into dx. So without loss I am doing cos square x, which implies cos square x. So what I did divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, which implies integration, this is root tan x. Okay, this will be 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square means secant square x upon, so cos will be cancelled, sin by cos left, so that will be tan x into dx, which implies integral. So here root tan x, ultimately this value is secant square x upon, this is how much, only root tan x, clear, into dx. So now substitution is let, so tan x equal to t, tan x derivation is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So substitute here, which implies integration, secant square x dx value is dt ultimately, so root this gives t. Okay, which implies so integration 1 by root t, integration 1 by root t is 2 root t plus c. This is the standard formula which we are have. So therefore whose solution it is? It is the solution of so integral root tan x upon, so sin x into cos x dx is equal to 2 root t value is how much, tan x plus c. Clear? Right. Yeah, next problem is 36th problem. Here he has given that x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square upon x. So this integration we have to find out, that is x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square upon x dx, that we want. Okay, which implies substitution, so x plus log x is equal to t, so this is 1 plus log x differentiation is 1 by x into dx equal to dt. So if I do LCM, this will be x plus 1 by x into dx equal to dt, which comes. Okay, then if we substitute here, which implies integration, this is x plus 1 upon x into x plus log x whole square dx is equal to integration, so log x plus log x value is t, which implies t square, this total value is dt. Okay, this is t cube upon 3 plus some arbitrary constant. Okay, right, whose solution it is? It is the solution of, therefore integration x plus 1 upon x into x plus log x whole square dx is equal to, which implies t cube by 3 plus c. What is t? T is nothing but x plus log x whole cube upon 3 plus c. This is the solution. The next question is 37th question. This is the last question. So he has given that x cube sin of tan inverse x power 4 upon 1 plus x power 8 into dx. So this integration we have to find out. Okay, my substitutions are, let, so tan inverse x power 4 equal to, I am taking t, so derivation, this is like tan inverse x, derivation of this value is 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square, again derivative of x power 4, that is nothing but 4x cube into dx is equal to dt. but which implies 1 by 1 plus x power 8 x cube dx is equal to, I am writing it is dt by 4. Clear? So which implies the solution is x cube sine tan inverse x power 4 upon 1 plus x power 8 dx is equal to, see, 1 by 1 plus x power 8 x cube dx value we can write dt by 4. So integral, simply I am writing it is sine t into dt by 4 I am writing, which implies 1 by 4 is taken out. So this is sine t into dt. That total value is comes to dx, dt by 4. 1 by 4 integration of sine t. Integration of sine t is nothing but minus cos t plus some arbitrary constant. Whose solution it is? It is the solution of integral x cube. So sine of tan inverse x power 4 upon 1 plus x power 8 dx is equal to minus cos t upon 4 plus c, which implies minus cos, what is t value? So t value we assumed that tan inverse x power 4 by 4 plus c. So yeah, here the next question is 33 question I am doing. So we have to do solutions, that is integration 1 by 1 minus tan x into dx. So without loss, this I am doing integral 1 by 1 minus, so tan x we can write sin x upon cos x into dx, which implies integral so doing LCM, this cos x comes to numerator, so cos x upon this will be cos x minus sin x into dx comes, which implies integral. So this step is very important because I am making some different substitutions. So I am writing it is cos x minus sin x as it is plus sin x plus cos x upon, so this is very important and students very much confused in this case. So this is very important step. See, we have cos x in numerator, we have only cos x, so sin x will be cancelled and cos x into cos x, so means cos x plus cos x to cos x, but we require only cos x, so that I am doing 1 by 2, then this will be correct, 1 by 2, which implies, so doing separations, this is cos x minus sin x upon this will be cos x minus sin x, clear, plus, so sin x plus cos x I am writing upon this is also cos x minus sin x I am writing into dx, which implies 1 by 2 is overall common, which implies, so this value is 1 plus this is some changes I am doing cos x plus sin x, any problem? No problem, okay, which implies, so this is cos x minus sin x I am writing into dx, which implies, so for my convenience, because to do the problem, which implies I am writing separates, this is integration dx plus 1 by 2 into integral, this I am writing sin x plus cos x upon this is cos x minus sin x into dx. So this is clear, x by 2, nothing change, plus here I am doing some some substitutions, that is, so I am taking minus common here, so ultimately this comes 1 by 2, so this is minus sin x minus cos x, any problem? No problem at all, because minus becomes again plus, this will be cos x minus sin x into dx, clear. Now make substitutions, I'm doing substitutions here, which implies, yeah, substitutions are, let cos x minus sin x is equal to t. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus sin x derivation is cos x, clear, into this will be dx equal to dt, clear. Now do substitutions. X by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral, so this numerator value becomes dt upon this denominator value becomes t, which implies x by 2 minus 1 by 2, this is simply 1 by x log x, so it is log t plus some constants. Okay, whose solution it is? It is the solution of, therefore integral 1 by 1 minus tan x into dx is equal to, this is x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log, what is t? So t value is nothing but cos x minus sin x plus c. So this is the solution. These are the overall solutions for NCERT.